I beg you, open me guide them, Father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me, Jehovah. Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be doing a spring twist crochet braid install. I'm using a zigzag braid pattern in the front. I did 13 small braids in the front, and in the back I had 8 braids. One of the braids were split into 2, so it was like 8 or 9 braids in the back. Her hair was already blown out and moisturized, and I'll be sure to put all the products that I'm using in my description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check that out. And the hair that I'll be using today is some hair that was sent to me by a hair company on Amazon. The name is FAYASU, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. It's their Bomb Twist Crochet Hair Extensions 7-pack Spring Twist Hair Pre-Loop Crochet Braid Synthetic Hair Passion Twist Braiding Hair for Women, 14-inch 1B. Okay, so like I said, it was 7 packs that came with this order, and each pack came with 20 strands. So there were 20 twists in each pack, and I used all packs of hair for this install. So I used a total of 140 twists. Now I really like these twists. They're kind of like the Ombré spring twist that I put in a video that I did before. I'll put a card for it, and I'll put a link for it in my description box below if you're interested in watching that. But yeah, anyways, back to this hair. I really like this hair because of the fact that it's so easy to install. It only took me 2 hours. Now, one thing I can say that was difficult about this hair was the loop. It is kind of small, but once you get the hang of like looping it onto the hook and getting it, you know, it really is simple. So this hair is very beginner friendly, and one crochet install can last 6 to 8 weeks depending on your hair type and how fast your hair grows. So you could really rock some crochet twists for the same amount of time that you would rock regular twists. Alright, so braiding down her hair took me a little less than an hour. This is what the completed braid pattern looks like. It's 13 braids in the front and 8.5, 9 braids in the back. You can see where I split that one braid into And now that I'm done installing the twist, I'm going to go ahead and lay her edges down with some Bomb Collection edge control and some Bomb Glue gel. And as you can see with this zigzag braid pattern, the crochet really doesn't look like crochet, and once it starts growing out a little bit, it'll really give the illusion that she has individual twists in her hair. And this is the finished look. You can put it in the middle part, you can switch the part side, you can pull it back in a ponytail, and the braids are all hidden. And that was all done in 2 hours. 1 hour for the braid down and 1 hour for the crocheting. So that's a full head of spring twist in 2 hours. I like it. For more pictures and videos, go ahead and check out my Instagram at Styles by Honey with 2 Y's. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway, because I know you're lying. Big shout out to FAYASU Hair Company on Amazon for sending me this hair. And big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.